Hi everyone. Today we have to discuss about the method, how to find out the inverse of a function, right? Using which method we have to find out the inverse of a function. This is we are going to discuss today. So finding inverse of a function. Finding inverse of a function. Right? To find out the inverse of a function, we have to follow the three guidelines. First one, guidelines. First guideline is write y equal to f of x. Write y equal to f of x. Second one is solve this equation 4x in terms of y, this is if possible, and the third one is interchange x and y to obtain y equal to f inverse of x. To obtain y equal to f inverse of x. Right. So first one is write y equal to f of x. Second one is solve this equation 4x in terms of y if it is possible. And the third one is interchange x and y to obtain y equal to f inverse x. We can interchange this to the second and the third guidelines also. First, write y equal to f of x. Second, we can put it as interchange x and y, right? And the third one is solve this equation for y, right? So I'm following these guidelines, right? So using these guidelines, I'm going to solve a problem, that is find the inverse of a function. Find inverse of function by f of x equal to 1 divided by root of 2x minus 3. 1 divided by root of 2x minus 3. The solution, we have y equal to 1 divided by the square root of 2x minus 3. Right? I have to eliminate this y square root from this, so I am squaring y square equal to 1 by 2x minus 3. So 2x minus 3 equal to, first of all, I have written y equal to f of x, the first step, right? So, second is solve this equation. I'm going to solve this. 2x minus 3 equal to 1 by y square, which implies 2x equal to 1 by y square plus 3, right? So, x equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by y square plus 3. That's equal to 1 by 2y square plus 3 by 2. Right? And the third step, or this can be written as 2y square into 1 plus 3y square. Right? So the last step is interchange x and y, right? So y equal to 3x square plus 1 divided by 2y square. Sorry, 2x square. Right? So, inverse of the function f inverse x is given by 3x square plus 1 divided by 2x square. I think it is easy for you all. So I'm going to do one more problem. In this exercises there will be a problem. Find inverse of. One more problem. Second one, f of x equal to 3x minus 2. This is very simple. So first of all, we have to put y equal to 3x minus 2. Right. Next we have to solve this 4x. 3x is equal to y plus 2. So x equal to y by 3 plus 2 by 3. Interchange x and y equal to x by 3 plus 2 by 3. This is the inverse, right? One more example. F of x equal to square root of 9 minus x square. I can written as y equal to root of 9 minus x square. So in order to avoid the square root, I have to squaring this. Y square equal to 9 minus x square. So x square plus x square is equal to 9 minus y square. This is equal to square root of 9 minus y square. Right? So the inverse is given by interchange this x and by root of 9 minus x square. So the same for x is greater than or equal to 0. Right? And the fourth one is f of x is equal to 2 into square root of x plus 3. And the fifth one is f of x equal to x raised to 3 by 5 plus 1. And the sixth one is f of x equal to x cube plus 1. Seventh one is f of x equal to x square where x is greater than or equal to 0. These are homework for you all. Right? Do it today itself. Right? So next we are going to study the continuity and differentiability of inverse of functions. The continuity and differentiability of inverse functions. Continuity and differentiability. So in this section we have the two theorems, theorem 2 and theorem 3, and its proof also. Right? Theorem 2, theorem 3. Right? So we can, first theorem is